So today I'll be teaching you guys how to prepare Iribotor, popular Urhobo food known as Iribotor, the food we don't cook for fire. So this calabash, nutmeg, popularly known as ere, you peel it. Then after peeling it, you burn it to almost ashes. After burning it, you put it on grinding stone. But if you don't have grinding stone, you can use anything to melt it. After melting it, you add your pepper. You add your pepper, then you add water. After the water, you put maggi. Then you put salt. Then you add your potash. Then you burn your fish and add it to it. That's all.
Aha! You don't red. Oshebio, abavo. On Iribotor. On Usi. On Ne. On Ofigbo. Woo!